Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a WeatherTech ImpactLiner Bed Liner for pickup trucks. Let's get into it. Okay, you may know WeatherTech for their floor mats or their floor liners for the cab. They're these laser fit liners that fit basically where your feet go in the cab, and it protects the value of the vehicle, snow, moisture, all of that. They also make this product called the ImpactLiner, which is for essentially the truck bed. It works in a similar manner. Just find the best way to open this, where it's laser measured and precise fit liner for the actual bed of the truck. And they call it the ImpactLiner because it can take all the hits, and there's some features on the product that you'll see that help it take the impact. All right, so this is rolled up. As you can see, there's these little circles, if you will, that are, how tall would you say those are? Maybe 1/8 of an inch, maybe 3/8. Those are gonna help protect the bed of the truck, give you a little bit of a cushion, if you will, between the liner and the truck bed to take some of the hits as you're loading in your cargo, materials, whatever it may be, just to help protect any dents and things like that. Now, this particular ImpactLiner is for Ford F-150, I believe 2021 through 2024, and it's for the short bed or the 5.5 foot bed. But the product's basically gonna be the same. You just wanna make sure that you're obviously getting it for the right truck as well as bed size, because they are a precise fit product. So let's try and roll this out here as best I can. We have our hardware was rolled up in there. This is a nice one-piece liner. A couple of things just here on the product. There is a little bit of a texturing. This is a very grippy type of surface, so that's one of the things about the plastic drop-in liner, or just an unprotected bed, is things will slide around really easily. It has a nice grip to it. It reminds me of their floor liner material. It's quite a bit thicker though, and it does have a little bit more grip than what I'm used to with their standard liners. It looks like there is kind of a lip on the edges, so this is gonna go, I believe this goes up against the cab. So we've got, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches here on our edges. Looks like it goes all the way around the wheel well right here. It continues all the way to the back, and then of course, right at the tailgate, it's gonna be nice, flat surface there. Let's look at the hardware that we get with this product. Some literature here, they give you a little product catalog. WeatherTech actually makes a whole lot of products. Got some mud flaps, cup phone, anything to protect your vehicle, basically, they make. We do have an installation guide here. Looks like they do have a QR code here that you can watch an installation video. We're gonna be installing this on our F-150 as well. So if you're interested in that video, be sure to check it out. Photo guided instructions here, shows you exactly what to do. It's like a 9-step installation, with step 9 being congratulations. So really 8 steps, pretty simple. Do have some of these little, I don't know what you would call them. There's that adhesive backing right here. I believe these go at the front towards the cab. It sticks to the actual bed. And then there's a little cap on this side. It's gonna poke through one of these holes right here, and that's what secures it to the cab itself. Some alcohol wipes as well. So everything you need for a pretty simple installation. This is really a nice feeling product, and looking forward to getting this on our F-150 behind me. If you're interested in that video, be sure to check it out. Now, if you're looking for this WeatherTech ImpactLiner, any other WeatherTech products, or anything to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.